We have allocated rupees 200 crores in mission against child marriage. We have reiterated that whoever will go for child marriage, POSCO will be clamped against them. Provision of Child Marriage Act will be clamped on that. Every 6 months, massive arrest will take place. Like 3,000, 4,000 arrests will happen every 6 months. Over and above, we are going to start a mission for rehabilitation of the victim, initiation of a 24 hours call center, also supporting lot of NGO in the affirmative action against the child marriage. We have started the marriage with an outlay of rupees 200 crores in this year budget, and these will be further augmented. By 2026, we will ensure that not a single child marriage happen in Assam.
Sir, Virudhi kind of reaffirms that your crackdown against child marriage is more.
We have demolished the fact that the Assam media has spread a news that no High Court has criticized Assam government. We have demolished all the fact. No such indication has ever come from the High Court. Our action, our mission against child marriage will continue with more vigor. That is what we have reiterated in our budget.
You have emphasized on the fact that it is not communal also, as some people would have liked.
It is not a communal, and we want to approach this issue completely from a humanitarian point of view.